from manufacturing to smart manufacturing. Shandong Sesheng Welding Materials Company Limited has simultaneously invested in MES system and 5G network information module to serve customers accurately and timely. Since its establishment, we have obtained 36 utility model patents, 8 invention patents, and 1 software copyright, and have got the honorary title of National High-Tech Enterprise. We have successively passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certification, ABS and CCS Certification, IATF 16949 Automotive Certification, TUV Certification, and SGS Certification.